If you want to cancel your Microsoft Teams free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure your subscription is properly terminated. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Visit the Microsoft account website and log in using the credentials associated with your Teams account. Step 2. Navigate to Services and Subscriptions. Once logged in, locate the Services and Subscriptions section in your account dashboard. This section lists all your active subscriptions, including your Teams trial. Step 3. Find your Teams trial. Scroll through the list to find your Microsoft Teams free trial. Click on it to view more details about the subscription. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Look for the option to cancel your subscription. Click on Cancel and follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After completing the cancellation process, you should receive a confirmation message. Check your email for cancellation confirmation to ensure that your trial has been successfully terminated. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Microsoft Teams free trial. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Microsoft support.